Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be discussing how to report someone on Discord. So, guys, if you have ever encountered where your friend or someone on the group members who have sharing bad link or spreading misinformation or information that are not helpful, you can report them by first going to the Discord application or through the website. And now from here, you can just simply find that someone who do you want to report. For example, I am going to report someone on my direct messages, and it will be this person. So first, you just have to simply go to their profile, and once you are in their profile, you will have the three dots over here, and just simply select more. And after that, as you can see, you will have an option over here, report a user profile. So go ahead and select that in order for you to proceed. And as you can see, if you report this user profile, this will keep the Discord safe and the user will not be notified that you have reported them. And from here, you just simply select next and just simply provide the information. What are you reporting? Whether their name, photo, text descriptions, or server tag. So pretty much from here, you just simply select whatever fits their description, select next, and from here, just simply provide what's the best described as the problem. And from here, of course, just simply provide all of the necessary information needed in order for you to proceed with the report. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.